look here. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm posing like your fan.
एक सोलो कैश
Thank you.
एक सोलो भी लो
Okay, please open the this. Okay, please look into this camera as well. I'll take a solo camera. Solo. Anil. Anil.
Got it? Thank you guys.
Ma'am, wait. Thank you, ma'am. Hold, ma'am.
वो घुमा दो चलेगा. Thank you.
काम करते रुकिए. मैम रुकिए. वो एक मिनट. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, look here. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, a little this side.
Yeah, center.
You can then know my name better. Who's come from Parul Street? From Parul Street.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Can we have a picture here?
Yeah, sure.
20 minutes to go.
One with picture.
इधर से ले लेते हैं. इधर से ले, सेंटर से. जाओ. एक मिनट, मैम. जाओ. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Let me just
Pictures, ma'am. Ma'am, look here, center.
Here, ma'am. I'm here. Ma'am, थोड़ा सा right में. Steady.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. Well, life seems, it's catching up again, and we are back to normal. And I hope it stays like this because we had a lot of hardships, hard times we saw, and now after all that, high teas, and then seeing such beautiful colors. And Vandana is a sweetheart, and she invited me for it. So really had good fun and saw some nice designs and nice fashion, and that very summery type of colors, and
As
beautiful.
colorful as you are.
Hare. Thank you, but it was beautiful. Thank you.
Talking about fashion, what it means to you?
Again, it's aesthetics. So it's everybody has their own. Everyone has their own perception, but for me, it's
थोड़ा सा आप आगे आइए ना.
आ रहा हूँ.
बोलिए.
So अभी तक का जो किया था वो हो गया कि
नहीं आप
अच्छा.
कंटिन्यू कीजिए, चलेगा. वंदना
So-
जी आप भी आ जाइए.
The colors. आ जाओ, come.
सोलो
So the colors mean a lot to me because like how we have ragas, so different notes we have, and different ragas we have that way, the colors. So so much, I don't know how to put it, but it's full of life when you see colors, like how raga is different. Rag has a different impact on you, same way the colors are. So it's beautiful, and fashion definitely is part of luxury, and especially our fraternity, so glamour and everything. So it just goes hand in hand.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Come, madam. Anna, it's a beautiful evening today. Life is full on swing back to you hosting events and
Yes.
taking us places with beautiful colors, vibrant colors. You hosted this evening for Wendell Rodrigues. What do you have to say?
Like you said, December is a festive month. It's a colorful month with lots of action-packed events. Mumbai, and of course, now I can literally say I'm 1 foot in Dubai. So a lot of action has been happening, and Wendell Wendell Rodrigues holds a very special place. He held a very special place in my heart. I had the good fortune of meeting him, spending time, and interacting also. And of course, his collection is all about colors and lovely abstract prints and spreading joy and happiness. And when I was approached to do this wonderful tete-a-tete for my friends, for Wendell, I just grabbed the opportunity because we're always looking for evenings to get together. We like shopping, and Wendell's collection is fabulous, and their new range is really, really nice. I mean, it's all about vibrancy, colors, and me as an influencer, as a blogger, I'm very happy to lend my name for hosting this wonderful evening.
Vandana is an actor. What kind of colors she likes to wear?
Somewhere there has to be black and white. My life is all about black and white. I'm very clear cut, very straight, but I love pops of colors, and I'm sure this green spells it all. Just nice pop, fluorescent and vibrant. Thank you. Have a great evening.
Give us in this camera. Thank you.
मैम नीचे
एक मिनट
फॉलो वीडियो होगी मैं सब नीचे
हो गया भाई निकल जा निकल जा
निकल जाओ आप निकल जाओ
निकलो मैं पैनिंग दूंगा नीचे से आप
Nila, you look always gorgeous. You have amazing fashion sense.
Thank you.
Vanda Sajnani and when you got this evening, what do you have to say?
Actually, Vandana has been this college friend of mine, and I know her since years. And I think this invitation was, a pleasant surprise. And I was like, "Chalo, we have to go." And I have always loved Wendell's clothes, and the colors are so vibrant, so gorgeous. So I just felt that. Just let's go for this colorful evening. And I've not met Vandana also for such a long time, so it was like all in all a win-win situation to meet her, to see the clothes, and to be around with friends and people. It's a lovely evening.
Talking about fashion, what it means to you, carrying clothes.
I think for me and a person like me who is a little oversized, like plus size, I feel comfort is the main thing what I look for, and I think I should be comfortable in what I am wearing, and then whether it's trending, not trending, I really don't care, and I just feel that I should look good, I should feel comfortable, that's it. Thank you.
नैना जी बिग बॉस कितना फॉलो कर पा रहे हो
मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ ये सीजन somehow नहीं कर रही हूँ
हर
follow.
साल आप फॉलो करते हो
Yes, हर साल
एनी पर्टिकुलर रीजन दैट यू आर नॉट
नहीं पर्टिकुलर रीज़न ये नहीं था मैं थोड़ा आउटडोर चली गई थी एक आध कुछ काम के सिलसिले में
फ्रेंड इनसाइड दैट हाउस
this year sadly so even I don't have a friend also that like last year there was Vishal I was supporting and all of that so but ऐसा कोई है भी नहीं कि मैं जिसकी वजह से देख रही हूँ
यस एक और बात आपका ओवरनाइट डिवोशन आज भी मुझे याद है वो काफ़ी अनफेयर था उसके बाद आपको हार्डली आई हैव सीन यू दैट आउट कभी ऐसा इच्छा नहीं हुआ आई विल शुड गो वन मोर टाइम एज अ सीनियर एज अ
इच्छा तो बहुत कुछ चीज़ों की होती है बट या लाइक I think if I get a chance, if I get an opportunity, definitely वापस जाऊँगी.
any of your upcoming projects is it there any lined up?
Right now I can't talk about
But
that
you
one
can
particular.
say like next year how do you see the 2023
I think 2023 is going to be really bright, really really bright.
thank you
Yeah.
Nimrat Big Boss house में उनका birthday भी है कल क्या है
Oh, of course, Nimrit. Nimrit is somebody I've worked with, and I really want to wish her all the luck and all the best. And I think she's what I have seen, the small clippings on social media or whatever, she's really doing good.
in fact she told about the depression in Big Boss
Yes, I worked with her in Choti Sardani for a brief time, and I want to wish her all the very best. I think she's winner material. So I wish her all the luck, and I hope Nimrit you come back with that trophy and happy birthday and lots of love.
Just take a picture. What vibe? Just take a picture.
Can you stand here?
Amita, that's beautiful in your hand.
शिवानी मैम लुक एट द कैमरा मैम यहाँ पे राइट
Just hold it. That's it. Look straight here, ma'am. Both of you. One more.
कम आउटसाइड मैम कैमरा पीछे मैम
Just hold it.
Okay का
She's Parul. I was telling you about the one who does the PR and all.
Oh,
So,
hi, Parul.
you know Saute, na? The car that I was telling you about this restaurant. We might have to do some nice activities.
मैम also look at the camera sir nice smile मैम यहाँ
Now just hold it. Straight. Sir, ma'am. Ma'am, थोड़ा सा. Yeah, straight here.
अच्छा करेगा तुम ही करोगे
वुमेन्स वेयर का है वुमेन्स वेयर का निकाल ये फुल सेट ठीक है और कुछ है इसमें कफ्तान है कफ्तान वुमेन्स वेयर का ना वुमेन्स वेयर का ड्रेस निकाल
What's the name of that?
मैम ये भी है हाँ तो जस्ट टाई अप रेडी निकालो टाई अप ड्रेस ये
Hi.
Saute.
या फिर सैरोन है वेरी गुड सैरोन है सैरोन दे दो
Everybody was like planning. She's a hardcore
ये वाला एक ही ऑप्शन
vegan food fan.
Really?
Go there one day. वहाँ बैठ के
सभी एक्शन चालू कर रहे हो दैट वीकली एक्शन के लिए स्टार्ट कर
Let's do that. I've been like half Dubai, half here, half there.
बड़े गोइंग टू दुबई again now? Yes.
हाउस कैसे बोल रही हो पता नहीं हाउ मिला है अरे अपार्टमेंट है भाई वो भी होगा
But let's begin the weekly action. कभी से?
Valentine's अभी people are doing too much
So from Feb or Jan?
Feb
Feb से.
Valentine week with a romantic singer
look at the camera
Ma'am, थोड़ा straight. Sir.
Swani ma'am? Sir?
Yeah, both of you straight here, ma'am. So. Just a moment. Just look into this camera. Thank you so much.
you have any
yes right
Where is the men's line? The other side.
yes nice
men's range is that also the men in fact you can ask him to come in
Okay, they want to take a picture.
Okay.
You do it later.
Yeah.
I'll call him.
I mean there's another Rajesh waiting for him
Sir is out.
Ajay
yeah,
is
tell him
here?
there's another Rajesh waiting for him
Okay.
look here मैम यहाँ पे कैमरा में
Just thank you. Ma'am, straight here. Just hold now. Straight.
Hey Shiva, so good to see you. How was your event?
It was
Between
nice. No, I had forget. I had even an NGO event with some children who have cancer patients basically. So they got can't to that event, and that's why I got this. running
I
hard.
thought because a lot of people are busy with that. One is that concert.
I didn't know. Yeah, I was just don't have so I only went to this night of comedy because that came up last night. They said 3 months.
That's you know you haven't met a last time.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Excuse me.
Then Fangdana come also.
Ma'am, left to right.
Now we do it together. Vanna, please come together.
Video.
Candid, yeah. Candid one. Yeah, nice. Nice one.
Okay, could you look into this camera once? Left.
Video ma'am.
Right here.
Yeah, both of you look straight. Ma'am here straight. Ma'am here. Ma'am this side. Ma'am this side. Okay, can you please look into this camera once? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Look here, ma'am. यहाँ पे ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
They're so like they're so.
All budding directors.
Look at the colors just bursting, no? These vibrant colors.
Guys, turtles. I think I'm done. I mean, I have a full house, guys. 2 bachas, dog, turtles. The turtle. I have a dog. Yeah. My dog. It's gonna be one of those birthday wishes, you know. Forever have it.
You need that one
Yeah, that
picture.
one picture that they give.
Okay, one
My kids do the same thing, peekaboo, right? Like that's what the store is for, yes.
You're not there in the picture. I'm sorry.
You're coming? Are you ready?
You're not in the picture.
Okay, you have to do peekaboo. Are you ready?
You're not in the
Are you
photo.
ready?
You're not in the photo. Okay, let me see how you stand and pose. Come
Let's
smile.
see.
Say cheese. Come on. Okay, yeah. We all of you straight, ma'am. Ma'am here.
Look at you right.
Stay here, ma'am.
I'm going, darling. She's going home. I'm going home. We are going to
You got the visa to be in Mumbai?
Actually,
आप आगे बढ़िए.
back to
Very good.
तो ढाई घंटे भाई तुम ग्लोब ट्रॉटर
You want to come for night?
Globe है, don't worry, वो भी globe है.
Come, we go to Manasa.
go with us.
चल आगे बुला ले आगे यहाँ पे आ जाए
Is this in Hindi?
You are comfortable with English?
I grew up in the US, so my Hindi is not very good.
Okay, so
मुझे समझे में like बात करने का time
Ma'am,
थोड़ा,
Santa.
So we'll do in English.
Ma'am, look Santa.
Huh?
We'll do in English.
If you want comedy, I can do in Hindi.
No, it's fine. We'll do in English.
Why are you here for Vandana, for this beautiful
Yeah. So
Ma'am, look Santa.
I am a big
Into
fan.
this camera.
Yeah, this camera, ma'am.
Sorry. Okay, so I'm a big fan of Wendell Broderick's designs. I think they're so fun and they're extremely comfortable as well. So the collection that he has right now with the color tones, the bright greens, the blues, the pinks, I think it's just beautiful and just goes and it's so comfortable and stylish. It's definitely a favorite.
And what's fashion for you?
What's fashion for me? Fashion is definitely an expression of yourself. I feel like you should always dress the way you want to be treated.
And which is your favorite color? If you want to go for a date, which color would you like to choose?
So I think if I was going for a date, I would pick one of my favorite colors, which is pink, hot pink.
Thank you.
Ma'am, Thank you. Thank you.
Party in Mumbai, now you're here shopping and Wendell Rodrigues for Bandha Sirkani's event. What do you have to say?
So I think first of all it's very lucky to be in Mumbai, and after partying, shopping is the best thing you can do, right? So we are loving it here, and the collection is beautiful. I just saw all beautiful colors, bold, all different solid colors, and something perfect for the season. So love it, love it, love it.
So with Perry and Arvind, we've been partying for the past 3 nights. I think the birthday weekend has been celebrated so beautifully. Thanks to them, we all got together. New York meets Mumbai. उसके बाद आज हम shopping कर रहे हैं, तो it's a very nice, de-stressing, very unwinding experience. I love the colors. Wendell Rodrigues' colors are absolutely, they're very pop. Like the pinks and the blues and the yellows. So I just loved it. कौन सा गाँव बताओ?
कोई कलरफुल सा
कलरफुल सॉन्ग है ना. Okay, so let me sing. क्योंकि बड़े मस्त कलर्स थे, तो I'm going to sing दमादम मस्त कलंदर.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, very nice.
लाल हो लाल मोरी भत रखियो बला झुले लालन सिंदड़ी धा सेवन धा सखी शाहबाज कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम नंबे अंदर हो लाल मोरी.
Wow. Beautiful.
Can you just look into this camera?
Center. Center.
Steady, all of you. Ma'am, steady. Your left. I'm here, ma'am. I'm here. Sidhu.
अब वीडियोस के लिए पैन हो जाए.
Get.
Okay.
Yeah.
So firstly, sir, good to see you. You're here.
Thank you so much. Good to be here. I'm very happy to be here.
Collection. What do you want to say about the collection?
Well, Wendell, I'll tell you an incident which happened probably years earlier. I was in Goa and I did visit their flagship store, and I picked up not much, but a couple of shirts. And I tell you, over the years, like I mean, probably that was one of my favorite shirts, and probably for whatever duration I wore them, every single time I wore that shirt, people had to ask me where did I get it from. I mean, that's the best memory I have of it. And initially I used to hide. I never used to tell people where is it coming from. But eventually I started saying, yeah, this is Wendell's. I mean, that kind of a work. This.
What was the best part? And what do you want to say about fashion? You are being the fashion icon.
I'm not an icon at all. No icon. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. What fashion means to me is comfort. Absolutely. Like, I mean, whatever is comfortable, whatever you are comfortable in is always going to look good on you, is what my thinking is. And can you just stop it, please? Can
This
you
uncle's camera. You want to touch this uncle's camera?
Sorry, 1 second. This is one. All right. So for me, fashion is comfort, and I definitely believe that, like, if you are comfortable in what you're wearing, you are going to look good in that. And I'm so happy about this, all these stores coming up of Wendell Rodrigues. Like, I mean, it was very confined, it was very niche earlier, and now it is available for everybody. And look at the vibrant colors and everything. And I wish them all the very best, and I hope that I catch them. I have seen few things out there which definitely up after this I'm going to go try it out and pick them up. And
This year is going to end very soon.
yes,
How you are looking forward for 2023? Any upcoming projects?
first I would want to wish each and everybody who's listening and watching this a very happy new year in advance. And how we are looking at it, boss, like what happened in past couple of years, we all know things are looking up, things are getting back to the normal, in fact getting better. I think 23 should be a great year, not only for the entertainment industry but for everybody, business wise, otherwise, and people. I hope and pray that everything goes absolutely good and better in the years to come.
Any upcoming project from your side?
Oh, there are too many, yeah. Touch wood. So there is one coming on Netflix, there's one coming on Amazon Prime, then there are 4 movies to be released, including an Abbas Masan movie, which is the next one.
Anything with Ishan Khattar, because people are waiting.
Well, we all, of course, everybody is waiting for that. Well, so
You were there for the premiere.
yeah, I was there for the premiere, yes, of course. I mean, there wouldn't be any other way I would be there, but I'm also waiting for it. Let's see. Like, I mean, in good time, it'll come. Yeah.
Definitely. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.